Unpacking the CD Release, a guide for music and language lovers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. In today's video, we'll be exploring a phrase that's music to our ears: CD release. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is tuned for you. So let's dive in and break down what CD release means and how you can use it in a conversation. CD release is a term that combines two words, CD, which stands for compact disc, and release, which refers to the act of making something available to the public. When put together, CD release describes the event or date when a new music album or single is made available on CD format for the public to buy or listen to. A CD release can also signify the promotional events surrounding the launch of a new album, such as concerts, signing sessions, or interviews with the artist. It's important to understand that the phrase CD release belongs to a context where physical media was the main way to distribute music. Although the digital age has changed how we consume music, the term is still used widely to mark the importance of an album's availability in physical form. In addition to the literal meaning, a CD release often comes with expectations and excitement for fans who have been waiting for new music from their favorite artists. It is a crucial time for musicians to interact with their audience, receive feedback, and celebrate their work's culmination. Now let's practice using CD release in a sentence. I can't wait for the CD release of my favorite band's new album next month. The store is hosting a party on the night of the CD release to celebrate. Did you hear about the special edition that will be available exclusively on the CD release? In each of these sentences, CD release is associated with anticipation and the arrival of something new and exciting in the music world. While CD release used to be a staple in the music industry, the evolution towards streaming services has introduced new phrases like digital release. Nevertheless, CDs hold a nostalgic value, and many artists and fans still cherish the physical experience of owning and collecting CDs. In this light, CD release not only refers to a marketing milestone but also reflects a tradition that continues to define a significant aspect of musical culture. That's a wrap on our journey through the phrase CD release. We hope this video has struck a chord with you and enriched your understanding of English in a musical context. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to spin this new term in your next English conversation. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.